Hi guys, this is Chris. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is a beautiful spring day here in Big Cypress National Preserve. I'm going for a drive right now in Loop Road. It's a beautiful scenic drive through the forest in the preserve. Big Cypress is part of the Everglades ecosystem. It's north of Everglades National Park and it's a wild place. I'm here to take some pictures and share with you this beautiful place. Hope you guys enjoy. So the alligator just ate a bird that was stuck there. That was insane. I just saw an alligator eat a great heron bird and you could hear the bones crack. I'm gonna go explore this campground that's in the middle of the preserve. So let's check it out. This is a cool little campground. I didn't know this existed here. I wish I see a panther. Take some pictures, it would be awesome. They're almost impossible to see. I think I've seen one once, many years ago. An old gas station. 1920. Okay, this is where the paved road ends and the graded road starts. Look at the little boy right there, another one in the water. Look at that. Sun taking us some bad, some bathing. There he goes. So my camera is a Nikon D500. It's great for wildlife. And check out these guys. They're sunbathing, chilling. They don't give a damn about me. Hi guys, I'm hiking Tree Snail Trail in Big Cypress National Preserve. Very nice trail. It's short, but it goes through a hardwood hammock, which is the higher areas of the Everglades, so it's like a jungle here.